was one of the back. A number of owners in the preservation, now owned by Emily and Jamie Jennings. Emily's driving today, and an engine that travels considerable distances on the road under its own steam, towing a living van, although given the hot weather conditions, she came here by lorry, which I think was an entirely sensible move. Burrell of 1906, Sentinel working like flashing. The son of the King's family in 1986, and both by the Count and the Dallas and Harley function in 2025. This is one of our longer distance visitors. Yes, the well-known engine that one, particularly if you've seen the level archives that DVD. That's followed by Okay, so another one of our big plates in agriculture. This one is Valiant, owned by the Plant family for a number of years now in early preservation. It was owned by Albert Dean